Hello there! Today we'll take a look at the Content Renderer block. This block is included in the Caledros Basic Blocks WordPress plugin. This plugin can be installed directly from the plugins section of the WordPress dashboard. It's also available for download on WordPress.org and from my GitHub account. Links are provided in the video description. What is the Content Renderer block? The Content Renderer block is a special block designed to be used in templates for custom WordPress themes. This block allows us to display the content of a specific page or post without any extra wrapper or markup. So it's ideal if we are designing a layout where we want to have a cleaner markup for our website. Therefore, this block does not have any special controls. Even though the Content Renderer block appears in the Gutenberg editor of pages and posts, it should only be used in templates. If we try to use this block in a page or post, we will get an error while trying to save it, so doing this is not recommended. If we add this block by mistake to a page or post, we must remove it and then save the post or page. Thank you for watching.